Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. As part of interesting problems related to progressions or sequences and series, let's look at this interesting one. We have been given that A, B and C are in arithmetic progression. A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. P, Q, R are in harmonic progression, HP. AP, BQ, CR are in GP, then we have to find out what is the value of P by R plus R by P. How to solve this problem? What we will do? We know ABC are in AP, so what is the condition that needs to be satisfied? We'll write down. PQR are in HP, we'll write down that condition what needs to be satisfied. Then we will go for APBQCR, they are in GP. So we'll write down that condition. Then we'll try to simplify this. So let's go ahead and try to solve this together. So my first step will be writing down ABC are in AP. So according to that, I know if ABC are in AP, can I write down from here? I know 2B equal to A plus C. Now from here I know PQR are in HP, I know Q equal to 2PR divided by P plus R. From here I know they are in GP, so B square equal to AC. If ABC are in GP, can I say BQ whole square is equal to AP into CR, or can I say B square Q square equal to AP and CR. Now what we will do, we'll try to substitute value of B from the first equation. From this equation we get the value of B, substitute here. From this Q we will get the value and substitute here. Now let's understand from this step what is value of B. B is A plus C divided by 2. That B value is going to come here. Now what's the value of Q? That value of Q will come here. So next step will be B square, that is A plus C by 2 whole square into Q square, that is nothing but 2PR divided by P plus R whole square is equal to A C into PR. Can I write it as instead of APCR, AC into PR? Now let's simplify that. We will have A plus C whole square divided by 4 into 4 into, can I say PR whole square, that is 4P square R square divided by P plus R whole square is equal to AC into PR. AC into PR. Now I can cancel one PR. I am left out with one PR here. 4 will go away. What will happen now if you simplify? I will have, next step will be, we'll have A plus C whole square. A plus C whole square, that AC will come down. So it will become A plus C whole square by AC equal to P plus R whole square divided by PR. What's the logic here? We just want to get in terms of, if you understand this, this is nothing but P square plus R square by PR. So that means I need to have P plus R whole square so that I can expand this. I should be able to get this answer. That's why we are doing all these steps. So A plus C whole square divided by AC is equal to P plus R whole square divided by PR. Now let's expand this. I have A square plus C square plus 2AC divided by AC is equal to P square plus R square plus 2PR divided by PR. Now I see that P square plus R square by PR, that is what, nothing but what we need, P by R plus R by P. So we seems to be going in the right direction. So let's go ahead to the next step. Next step I'll write down, I'll have A square plus C square plus 2AC divided by AC is equal to P square plus R square plus 2PR divided by PR. Now let's divide with each of them separately. A square by AC is A by C plus C by A plus 2 is equal to P by R plus R by B plus 2. I can cancel 2 on both sides. I can do that. Then I got my answer. P by R plus R by B is nothing but equal to A by C plus C by A. So let's try to have a recap of this. We have been given that A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. So we know 2B equal to A plus C. We have been given P, Q, R are in harmonic progression. So we know Q equal to 2PR by P plus R. Similarly, AP, BQ, CR are in geometric progression. So we know B square Q square is AP into CR. Now get the value of P and Q, get the value of B and Q, substitute from 1 and 2 equations into the third equation. Simplify, we get P by R plus R by P is equal to A by C plus C by A.